still in utter disbelief that this is my life right now, stuck in the house. Not that I could leave anyways, but still, what a bad time it is right now. I just really need to get out and do something. I am getting some ideas, but let me keep thinking things over. Wait a minute, I have an idea.
Whoa, Rosie, just where do you think you were going?
Oh, I was just going to go for a walk.
Rosie, I know you're lying to me, you never go for walks.
No, Mommy, I really am telling the truth. I am just simply going for a walk.
Rosie, shut your little mouth. I know you are up to no good, and for lying, you are grounded until CT Cool gets 100,000 subscribers.
Whatever you say, ding dong.
And just for that, now you are grounded until CT Cool reaches 200,000 subscribers.
Wow. Well, didn't that work out very nicely? Just because I wanted to leave my house, now I am grounded. Wow, I really hate my mom. Oh yay, Daddy is calling me. I bet he can help me. Hi Daddy, where have you been?
Oh, thank God you answered, Rosie. I kind of need your help.
Oh, I am also really happy that you called, because I need your help too.
Well, I can help you in a bit, but first, I need your help.
Okay, that's fine, Daddy. What do you need?
Well, you see, I kind of attempted to blow up the Earth, and I escaped in time, but I'm kind of stuck in space jail, so if it's not too much trouble, could you come bust me out?
Oh my God, that is terrible, Daddy. I will come free you. However, Mommy grounded me again and I can't leave the house.
Oh, that son of a disgrace. I hate her so much. Well, please don't wait too much longer. Alright, bye Rosie.
Okay, bye Daddy. Well, that's just great. Now I have to free Daddy. He wasn't even being that bad. Well, now I need to think of a new way to sneak out and help Daddy. Of course, how could I not think of this before? I should just jump out of the window. Oh my God, yes. This UFO is perfect.
Hey, that UFO belongs to us. Leave the UFO at once. God, I really hate my life.
Ha. Yes, space, here I come. Daddy and I are going to do something really evil like always. Hey. Yes. Saturn, here I come. Okay, now it is time to free Daddy from jail. Oh my God, that was the longest walk ever. I am so tired. Oh my God, yeah, yay, there is the prison. Now I will go free Daddy.
Rosie, boy am I glad to see you. Now quietly let me out of here.
You got it, Daddy.
Thank you so much, Rosie. Wait, Rosie, before we leave, I have an idea as real revenge, so we can go to Caillou's school. I can rob it, while you pull the fire alarm as a distraction.
Oh yeah, that sounds very evil indeed. Let's do it. Ha.
Hiya, I can't wait to scare the crap out of them.
Oh look. There's the school. Let's land there. Ha.
Hiya, we got them so good.
Oh my God, I need to go check the fire alarm. Now I need to go check the security footage. Alright, well let's see why the fire alarm went off.
Ha.
Hiya, we got them so good.
Oh, I can't believe those two idiots. They are going to get into so much trouble when I get them exposed on the news.
Man, what a boring day it is, and I can't even ground Rosie because sis already grounded. I am just going to see what is on the news.
Good afternoon everyone. I would like to inform everyone that our school was just robbed by a little ginger, about 2 years old and with a blue dress, and her father with a green coat, blue jeans, red shoes, and dark hair. Whoever is in charge of these two should ground these two for the rest of eternity. That's all for today. Goodbye.
Those two robbers sound very familiar.
Daddy, can I see some of those books that you robbed at the school today?
Sure, Rosie, as soon as we sit down.
Oh, hi, Mommy.
Do you want to see the new books we stole? I mean took from Caillou's school, babe?
I saw you two on the news. Oh, Rosie and Boris, how dare you rob Caillou's school and pull the fire alarm? That kind of stuff can get someone put in prison. That's so it. You both are so grounded. Until CTK reaches 1 million subscribers, both of you go to your rooms right now.
Walla 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 walla.